Maui County and several law firms have taken legal action against Hawaiian Electric in relation to the devastating wildfires. KITV4 Cynthia Yip has a reaction from an energy expert who responds to HECO's most recent claims.
The lush landscapes of Maui were marred by a series of wildfires that wreaked havoc across the island about 3 weeks ago.
Now Maui County and multiple law firms have entered the legal arena, seeking accountability and compensation for the damages.
The utility is presenting the notion that there are two separate fires. And it's going to be something that the lawyers are going to argue about. I'm sure people are going to be very interested in what the ATF report really concludes. You could see in the stock market today that it was an extraordinary reaction. It's a very unusual day when you talk about a utility stock rising over 40%.
That statement from Hawaiian Electric says, quote, "We were surprised and disappointed that the county of Maui rushed to court even before completing its own investigation. We believe the complaint is factually and legally irresponsible."
HECO will be asserting cross claims against the county as well. It's very typical in these situations that there'll be a lot of finger pointing by the defense. It happens all the time. And that's why, at least in our view, the only sane way to deal with these situations is in one combined proceeding. So that the courts can get their arms around this situation rather than having hundreds or thousands of lawsuits being filed and completely flooding the judiciary for decades. And that's why the class action is just a tool that if the court wants to use it, they can use it.
Revere and McLeod agree the outcome of these lawsuits could have far-reaching implications, not only for Hawaiian Electric, but also for utility companies nationwide. Cynthia Yip, KITV4 Island News.
The county's outside counsel issued this statement to KITV4 saying, to the extent HECO has information of a second ignition source, HECO should offer that evidence now. The ultimate responsibility rests with HECO to de-energize, ensure its equipment and systems are properly maintained, and ensure downed power lines are not energized.
In response to Hawaiian Electric coming out with a statement on its role in the fires, its stock bounced back today. It was up 44%, closing at $13.97. That's up $4.31. The stock had dropped to under $10 on Friday. Before the wildfires, HECO stock was trading at more than $35 a share.